gon' try to hate on you, just ignore everything they say. Don't listen to nobody, and never be afraid, cause you don't know when it could be your day. Never listen to nobody, 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 no. Nobody, nobody, I didn't listen to nobody, 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 no. You'll be nobody, nobody, you listen to nobody.
Taking trips, cause I never tripped on what they said. If you speaking from your heart, naysayers gon' aim for your head. Haters gon' mess with your vision, keep you up laying in bed. But no, you gon' do this for you, cause you never did this for them. Sword was the mightiest pen, you lifted it right out the stone. Destiny's choosing you, cause the blade was made for you to own. Words cut deeper than any blade that a smith could mold. First person reference, swung it reckless in my adolescence, so I should know. Took the heat right out the air, every breath was cold. But now I know, negativity toxic, it's drop kicks in a mosh pit. Every day is Halloween, skeletons in my closet, monsters under my bed, they tryna get in my head. Till I wake up in the morning and forget what they said. So don't listen to nobody, sometimes even yourself, cause the darker parts of the mind aren't too eager to help. So just know,
they gon' try to hate on you, just ignore everything they say. Don't listen to nobody, and never be afraid, cause you don't know when it could be your day. Never listen to nobody, 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 no. Nobody, nobody, I didn't listen to nobody, 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 no. You'll be nobody, nobody, you listen to nobody.
such is life, such a vice, such a gift, such is mine, such a movie, such a script, such a trip. I just flew overseas to meet the whole damn team. Would've never got to do this if you swayed my dreams. Craig and I've been working since I hit 18. And drumming and I made a couple hits you've seen. Blue Lake and I turned our lives to movie scenes. Crazy plan A turned into the whole A-team. What that mean? Brought together by the power of the music. To my vision and my fans, I will stay the truest. They got me moving, no label behind the movement. They job to keep me grounded, the sound is always improving. Small town kid, used to dream too big. Hope I talk